kaming Powerpuff Girls. Ayan, kung saan ka man pupunta or magka-transfer ng work, sana walang limutan. Alam naman namin na magkikita pa rin tayo. Good luck and then keep in touch. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat ng ginawa nyo. God bless sa pupuntahan nyo. Kaya, hi Ma'am Sel. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. So, within 2 years, nagsama tayo dito sa EIA. Kahit na paano, syempre, andun yung time na alam mo na yun. So, thank you and sana at good luck din sa bagong trabaho. So, yun lang. So, keep in touch mo. Okay.
Thank you, Mama. Ingat lagi. We love you so much.
I've died every day waiting for you, darling.
So, I just want to wish you more good luck sa bagong tatahakin, more opportunities to come. And thank you for being a part of this institution. Thank you for being a part of us here. You've done a lot for us, for this school. So yung siguro pinaka-mag-miss namin sa iyo. And sayang nga lang, but we understand that you want to explore siguro for self-growth or you're preparing for something.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Julie Rarat. I want to say a message to Ma'am Michelle as she is going to AIE. Ma'am Michelle, I will miss you so much, and it's difficult for me that you are leaving AIE, but I'm wishing you all the best. Good luck to your new endeavor. I hope you will find your dreams wherever you go.
Hi, Ma'am Lizelle. I just would like to thank you for everything sa lahat-lahat na itinulong mo sa akin, sa training, for your kindness, patience, and love, and all that, especially po sa friendship. And I feel loved and I feel accepted because of you. At hopefully, na ma-achieve mo yung mga dreams mo sa buhay and maging successful ka rin sa, hindi lang sa career, but eventually sa your own family din. And you can always come back here. Alam mo yan. And you can always text me kapag naliligaw ka sa Manila or kung ano po yung may tutulong namin. And good luck po sa bagong career and just don't forget to be happy all the time.
Even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink. Pushing it back when you've had so much to drink.
Hi ma'am, hindi man kita na matagal nakatrabaho ma'am, pero alam ko naman ma'am, mabait kang tao. Kasi ma'am, sa itsura pa lang ma'am ma'am sana po kung saan ka man pupunta ma'am, good luck na lang po and God bless. Sana ma'am, hindi mo makakalimutan yung AIE school, pero I know naman po ma'am, hindi mo makakalimutan ma'am. Thank you ma'am sa lahat.
Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, push you to bed when you've had too much to drink.
Kay Ma'am Michelle, maraming salamat at naging bahagi ka ng ANE sa amin, sa lahat. Kung saan man o saan ka man pupunta, lagi mong iisipin na nandyan si Lord, kung ano man yung bad and good things. Yung good things na lang yung baunin mo, and then yung mga bad things na nangyari dito, iwanan na lang natin. So sana dapat yun, masaya kami kung saan ka man pupunta ngayon. Sinusuportahan namin lahat kami para sa iyo. Yun lang.
Hello, Ma'am Lizelle. Maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat, lalo po sa pag-welcome niyo po sa akin dito sa AIE. Good luck po sa next na pupuntahan niyo. Keep in touch po. Ako na pumahala kayo sa kanya.
Oh, there's so much they hold, and just like them old stars.
Okay, so sa isang taon ko, almost 1 year kong pag-stay dito, isa lang yung nakilala kong tao na pinaka-dedicated sa work. Marami dedicated sa work, pero itong taong to, sobrang dedicated sa work. So alam ko, this is your last day, and sana maging mas maganda pa yung nilipatan mo. So, paalam po sa iyo, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Love, I'm still looking up, and when you're needing your space to do some nap.
Maraming salamat. I love you.
To see what you find, 'cause even the stars, they burn, some even fall.
I got only one friend. I wanted to be you. Okay, so Lizelle, basically, we've been together, working together for at least 2 years and 6 months. And there are things na usually hindi tayo minsan nagkakaintindihan. Pero naalala ko na sa schedule. Okay, sa schedule ng mga bata, medyo nagkaroon tayo ng misunderstanding with regards to that. But of course, through your hard work, through your dedication sa trabaho, hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin na doon tayo palagi. Hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin na andito rin tayo palagi, na forever tayong magkakasama sa isang company. And dumating doon sa point na eto nga, you're going to leave ENA College after those years. And we actually truly understand naman na hindi naman tayo forever nandito tayo. Hindi naman sa lahat ng oras na nagsaserve ka sa isang company. And for all of this, thank you so much for being part of this institution. So thank you for being our HR. Thank you for being also my mentor. Thank you for being a good friend of mine at the same time. So kung saan ka man lilipat, yan. So I actually wish you all the best. Good luck. And you may look forward for a good future in this. So thank you, Ma'am Lizelle. Ingat ka palagi and God bless.
Okay, good afternoon to everyone, and most of all sa ating outgoing HR. We have to give her a farewell message, and masasabi ko sa iyo, Ma'am Lizelle, maraming salamat sa iyong enticing moments, and then of course yung mga knowledge na na-share mo sa akin tungkol sa mga activities, especially schedules, lahat na yan. I learned much from you. Sana sa iyong pupuntahan ay maging successful ka sa buhay, and I'm praying that someday in the future you'll become a good manager, you'll be good or perhaps a business establishment, since you're aiming high for another milestone of your success. We believe you're also a part of EIA family na you serve almost 3 years EIA. So at the same time, I believe God is preparing something better for you in the future, na sana wag mo kaming makalimutan. At if you have your spare time, just come over and visit us. You're still a part of the family, and we wish you an advance a wedding party. Sana naman i-invite us. Isa pa, Ma'am Lizelle, nakita ko sa iyong personality yung maka-Diyos mo, and I believe you are really qualified to be a good leader, and you're honest, and of course those values that you imparted to our students, they always remember and treasure your imparted knowledge to them. And most of all, nakita din namin sa iyo buhay na ikaw ay isang pagpapala sa bawat isa sa atin. Nakakayak man sabihin, Ma'am Lizelle, kung pwede magsama-sama pa tayo for many years. But anyway, again, ito lang ang masasabi ko sa iyo, Ma'am Lizelle. Just continue to be with yourself. At salamat din sa mga text messages na aking tatanggap mula sa iyo. And I was really proud of who you are, na may nakita ko sa iyo. Buhay na ikaw ay isang asset ng AIA. Sana sa iyong pupuntahan, still, you have to be consistent and maintain your status quo.